You can change the font size of multiple cells, columns, or rows at a time by selecting them first and using the button. You can also do this by selecting the range of cells and pressing on this little icon I showed earlier for more options. You can bold, italicize, or underline by pressing on these three icons, or by pressing on more options that I showed you earlier. You can even choose to do strike-through, superscript, or subscript. But I think I'll leave that for now. From these icons, B is for bold, I is for italicize, and U is for underline. The shortcut for B is Control B. For I, it would be Control I, and for U, it's Control U. Borders are another way to sort out the information in your sheet or for something else. To put a border, click on the border button and choose any of the border options in the drop-down menu. You can also format cells. Press on border and customize the line style, color, presets, and border from there. I'd like to add a border at the bottom of the cells of these cells. I choose a thick bottom border. There. The row and column sizes are customizable. To change the height of a row, select the row, hover over the bottom of it until you see this icon. Click and drag to adjust the height. The same goes with adjusting the column's width. Select the column, hover over the right of it until you see this icon. Click and drag. You can see how wide or long it gets. Number of pixels. If you wanted to set the height or width to a certain amount of pixels, all you have to do is select the rows or columns you want to do that for, go up to Format, press on Row Height or Column Width, and change it in the pop-out. Selecting multiple rows or columns will adjust all of their heights or widths. For example, if I select all three of these columns and adjust their width, all of the columns' widths will change. If you want a row or column to auto-fit the data you have entered, select the row or column. I'm selecting all three of these columns. Go up to Format and click on Auto-Fit Row Height or Width. I choose to auto-fit the column width. A faster way to do it is to just double-click on the right side of the column or on the bottom of the row you selected. There. Now all of the column widths are adjusted to fit all of the data. If your workbook gets a bit overwhelming or you want to hide some information temporarily, select the rows or columns you wish to hide. Go to Format, Hide and Unhide, and choose to hide rows or columns. I'm hiding a column. Wherever you hide a row or column, you will see a marker there. So if you want to unhide the row or column, just select two cells that were on either side of that hidden row or column, like this. And go and unhide the column or row by pressing either of which you want to unhide. To do that, go to Format, Hide and Unhide, and press Unhide Rows or Columns. I'm unhiding a column. There. To hide a sheet, go to the sheet you want to hide. I want to hide sheet 1. Go up to Format, Hide and Unhide, and press Hide Sheet. The sheet is now hidden.